Welcome to Dave Arbogast, your exclusive SCA Performance dealer. We have over 50 new and used lifted trucks ready for delivery. Let's take a look.
This is a 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Black Widow lifted truck from SCA Performance. Under the hood, you have a 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine with DFM or Dynamic Fuel Management. This is an all-new system and enables the engine to operate in 17 different patterns between 2 and 8 cylinders, depending on driver demands to optimize power delivery and efficiency. Comes complete with a 10-speed transmission, traction control, and a 3.23 rear axle ratio. The exterior color is Summit White and the interior color is jet black leather seats with Kalahari accents. This is a 4-door, 4-wheel drive crew cab body style. Exclusive Black Widow features include a 6-inch suspension lift kit from SCA Performance, wheel-to-wheel 5-inch oval side steps, bolt-on style fender flares with chrome bolts, Black Widow hood vent, 22-inch SCA Black Widow wheel upgrade, 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss all-terrain tires, and red SCA logo brake caliper covers. And to match the chrome bolts with the fender flares, you also have chrome premium quality exterior badging, a performance exhaust upgrade with dual powder-coated stainless steel tips, painted to match interior trim with premium agate black paint from SCA Performance, custom stitched Black Widow headrests, and finally it includes a Black Widow gauge cluster with SCA Performance speedometer calibration and FMVSS or Federal Motor Vehicles Safety Standards compliant. It includes a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. Engine capabilities include 420 horsepower at 5,600 RPMs and 460 pounds per feet of torque at 4,100 RPMs. Also includes a 2-speed transfer case electronic auto trade with push-button control, also known as 4-wheel drive shift on the fly. Includes an integrated trailer brake controller with towing package and trailer package with a Class 4 hitch, receiver, and platform. Premium features to fall in love with include a spray-in Bedliner, power sliding rear window with defrost, a 6-way adjustable multi-pro tailgate, and an 8-inch HD color touchscreen with GM Infotainment System, including navigation, Bluetooth audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bose premium sound system, voice recognition, and personalization capabilities. Also comes with a wireless charging pad, push-button start, multi-zone climate control, remote start system, memory seats with easy exit driver seat, heated and ventilated front bucket seats with center console, and a heated steering wheel. Includes a tilt and telescoping steering column with Troy-style floor liner and rear heated outboard seats. Premium technology features include HD surround vision camera with hitch guidance, bed view camera with 2-camera trailer provisions, multicolor 8-inch driver informational center, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and a universal garage door opener. Safety features included are front and rear park assist, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, AEB or automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, adaptive cruise control with speed sign reading camera, and finally, dual front and side airbags with occupant sensing airbags and overhead bags.
Call 888-919-1635 to schedule your VIP test drive and find out why Dave Arbogast is driven to satisfaction.